In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, it's time to embrace automation in all aspects of our lives. That's why we've created Mepdel. Here, we show you how to use cutting-edge tools to automate everything from mundane tasks to creating YouTube videos. So sit back, relax, and let the machines do the work. Welcome to Mepdel. Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a chatbot similar to Chat GPT using the language model Davinci 3. In this video, we will be introducing you to the world of Chat GPT and the OpenAI model Davinci 3, showcasing the differences between the two, and finally, showing you how to use the OpenAI API to create your own custom chatbot. So, let's get started. ChatGPT can be accessed by visiting OpenAI's website and clicking on the try button. Here you are presented with an input to start a conversation with ChatGPT. Here you can ask any question. This is similar to Google search, except that ChatGPT can give way faster responses without needing to click anywhere, and the responses can oftentimes be uncanny in its intelligence. Let's now look at some examples to better understand the differences between ChatGPT and Davinci 3. You can ask ChatGPT anything by entering a query in the input. Here is an example. Notice that it gives a valid washer type. Here is a more advanced conversation. Notice that it gives a highly detailed story. ChatGPT can be conservative in its responses. Notice that in this prompt, ChatGPT refuses to give an answer. In this example, ChatGPT refuses to give a diagnosis because it recognizes that its information could be inaccurate, thus hurtful to the reader. Meanwhile, Davinci 3 can be used via OpenAI's website where you can click on the playground. Here you can use it similar to ChatGPT. Notice that it is less restrictive. It attempts to give a diagnosis even though it received very little information. Unlike ChatGPT, it will also predict who will win the Senate seat in this query. Now that we have a better understanding of the differences between ChatGPT and Davinci 3, let's move on to the main part of this tutorial, creating a chatbot using Davinci 3. Notice by default, Davinci 3 does not act like a chatbot. We can tell it to act like a chatbot with the following example. Notice it gives another response similar to ChatGPT about the washer. You can create other chatbots besides ChatGPT. For example, this motivational GPT chatbot. Notice here it is tailored to give motivational advice to anyone who asks it questions. Its first response here is highly encouraging. There is a problem though. A request can be sent that will give a toxic response. Notice that this bot says that it's a great goal to feel pain. This is a toxic response. Let's fix this by giving it a better prompt. This prompt instructs the chatbot to not give responses to toxic requests. When we retry the request, we get a much better response, telling the user to take care of their body. Other chatbots can be created with similar prompts for specific needs. We can tell the chatbot to format its response so that it's more easily parsed by a server. Notice now that the chatbot prepends its response with the string motivational GPT. When the server responds, it can prepend the text human. Now this is easily read by a server to understand who said what. In part 2, we will follow up with the code implementation on the server for this. In this tutorial, we have introduced you to ChatGPT and Davinci 3, showcased the differences between the two, and showed you how to use the OpenAI API and Davinci 3 to create a chatbot. We've also discussed how to create a custom chatbot by fine-tuning the Davinci 3 model on your own data. In the next video, we will be showing you how to put everything we have learned into practice and create an actual chatbot using the OpenAI API and Davinci 3. So, stay tuned. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create a chatbot similar to ChatGPT using Davinci 3. We hope that you find it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all the latest from Memtel. See you next time.